Okay, just left the Ford garage and now going to walk up to the Mitsubishi garage because they're pretty much next door. But that went pretty promising. For a garage and a brand that we were thinking that, you know, maybe that's a bit out of our price range, I think the car that we looked at, not the pimp one, the second one, was actually quite reasonable.
I think it's just the comparison is like Fords I find are quite basic anyway, and you're going for the basic model, but it's basic, it's like a luxury compared to what we've got right now. But the engine size is a lot better.
Yeah, so far with the Toyota, we looked at a kind of like a mid-tier car for the roundabout the 1.4, 1.5. Actually, it's 1.6, I think, because it's 1.582. Yeah, so that's bordering 1.6 for a mid-tier, but the Ford that we just looked at is 1.5, and it's an entry level, meaning it's not going to have all the bells and whistles that the someone's beeping at me. That the mid-tier Toyota has. But the engine size is something to factor in because it's a 2-litre in the Ford and it's a smaller engine, which is what we're looking for because we don't need a massive 2.5 litre. One of those was like 3.2 or something. We don't need that. You know, we live in Panglao, which is flat. Now we're at the Mitsubishi Motors. Look at that guy.
Morning, sir.
Oh, good morning. Yeah, we look at the one outside. There's one on the forecourt.
Pick up, yeah. This one, Triton.
Oh yeah, I did see that when I was walking in. I thought that looks nice.
Yeah, it's got those things on the side.
We just walked up and I saw it and I thought, it's not bad.
And what's the price?
I have the
There we go. A Triton. It's got the bits on the back that turn out lights. Right there. He disappeared. Triton prices.
Triton. You prefer automatic?
Well, we don't mind. All the cars we've driven here so far have been automatic, but from the UK everything was manual.
Yeah.
So it's actually a bit of a luxury driving an automatic.
So this is the prices then. The two-wheel drive manual GLX is 1.4.
Okay.
The GLX two-wheel drive automatic 1.514. The GLS is 1715.
Okay.
And we also have the top of the line Athlete four-wheel drive 2,052,000.
Okay. So what are the difference between these apart from 25, 26, 26?
25 model. The GL variant is the bare model.
Sorry, what model?
The bare model.
Oh, the base model.
Base model.
Yeah.
Still wing, no step board.
Okay, no step boards.
So for the GL. For the GLX is the standard model. It's 18 inches alloy wheels with backing camera.
Okay, it's got a backing camera, which is
Backing
good,
camera, yeah.
good to know.
Yeah. For the GLS, it's already push button start.
Oh,
engine.
push button start. So it's not no key.
Yeah.
Okay. You like that?
Push
It's got a
button
clicker.
start. Also with 360 camera.
Oh, wonderful.
The GLS. And so also the Athlete, the top of the line is equipped with leather seats. More airbags than the.
Okay. Yeah. So
Which
we're.
ones do you have in stock?
Yeah. Which ones can we actually see right now?
So all of them have 3-year registration and 1-year comprehensive insurance. This garage offers freebies of tint, seat covers, floor matting, and 15 litres of gasoline.
Okay.
I think
That was similar to the Toyota because the Toyota did that, but they also did one extra thing as well, which I can't remember what it was in Toyota. I think it was a rim or something.
Yeah, like that thing on the.
Ah, yeah, on that car. So you get like a protection across the top of the window here, which is either to deflect the wind or stop the rain from getting in. They were going to offer that for free in the Toyota garage.
Yeah, whereas Ford didn't offer any freebies.
Not even food.
Serena's very disappointed.
Yeah, no snacks for Serena and the Ford.
Toyota gave us food, but that Ford doesn't.
Oh, we're breaking the first rule. Dun, dun, dun. Well, I bet you like that one, Serena. Look at this.
Yeah. It has an athlete on it.
No, because it's got the vinyl. It's got the graphic.
Yeah.
There's another one there over there. It's a nice looking car. Meep, meep.
This is the 1.7. The 1.5 is very similar without that.
Okay, so this is the 1.7 litre.
No, million.
Oh, 1.7. What's the engine size, sorry?
2.4.
2.4.
2.4.
Okay. Okay. So this is 1.7 million and it's a 2.4 litre engine. Just to make sure that I've understood that correctly. And this model comes with this back bar?
Yeah.
Okay, but the 1.5 doesn't?
Doesn't have this roll bar.
Okay, cool.
The available colors is also this one. The 1.5. This is.
The 1.5 comes in black?
This is not black. This is grey.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're right.
It's like black.
Yeah, it's a dark grey, it's nice.
Yeah, that's the black one.
That is black. Yeah, because this is grey then, and that's a black car. Dark grey.
Really pulling my hair. It seems a bit bigger in the back.
That's true. You do have a lot of space in the back. You've also got the chargers down there as well.
Yeah.
Was that aircon on the roof? Was that aircon unit?
Only air ventilation.
Ventilation. Cool.
Air comes in.
What is the gear stick and handbrake situation like? Can't see anything, it's too dark. Oh, you got lights.
This is a handbrake. Oh, there's a handbrake here, so I just completely missed that. There's a normal handbrake and then
Gear stick. Sorry, did you say this one's automatic or manual?
Automatic.
Automatic car.
This one is
Cool.
and the 1.5 was that manual?
that's automatic also.
Oh, okay.
Like almost the same as this one.
It's not this.
Only not. It's not a push button start.
Okay.
But that's nice in there with the air conditioning.
Yeah. I can turn it on.
So, like I said, the 1.7 comes with this back bar. The 1.5 doesn't. But this is a 2.4 litre car. Automatic. How the 1.5 million, is it still 2.4 litres?
Same. 2.4
Oh,
liters.
okay, so they're pretty much the same apart from.
Pretty much the same. Only you can. There is no roll bar.
Okay,
Start.
Everything's the same.
sure.
But the headlight is halogen. I think this one is LED.
Okay. Cool. Wicked. So those bright lights.
The 1.5 is halogen headlamp. By the way, sir, for my
Yeah, I'll take your card.
I am Joshua, sir.
Thank you. Oh, that's my brother's name.
Hi.
My brother's name's Joshua.
Yeah.
Thank you. So just out of interest, what car's this? Because she really likes the cars with the graphics down the side.
Yeah.
So what's this one out of curiosity?
That's the Strada Athlete.
Strada Athlete. Okay. I'll take it a lot more expensive.
Yeah, but it's there's no more available new model for that one.
Ah, so they're out of stock. We were going to buy that as well. The Triton is the upgrade.
Yeah. Before our pickup is the Strada. Now the Triton.
When I first learned to drive back in 2003, 2004, the first car I wanted was a Mitsubishi Colt.
Ah, Colt.
The small one, yeah, but it was a different shape back then. It was a lot bigger and it looked like a nice racing car. Not that I race or anything, but to me it looked cool.
Can you easily adjust from UK? It's a right-hand drive. Here it's a left-hand drive.
Yeah, I think not so bad so far. And it's also automatic as well, so I think that's helped a lot that all the cars here are automatic.
Yeah.
And the roads are quite easy to drive on.
Yeah, in Panglao and Bohol, the roads are a lot more nicer than in other areas, so I think we've kind of had it a bit easy. Salamat. Well, that's another garage that's thrown a spanner in the works, because that was a pretty good car as well.
Yeah, like when we walked in and the sales guy, I was like, yeah, I'm not having any of this. But then when I saw the car, like compared to the Ford, it's the same price as the Ford, and it just feels so much nicer inside, like for the price. I can't remember the engine.
That was a 2.4 litre.
So it's big, like.
So it's a big car. It's 0.4 litres bigger than the Ford. So it's going to be a bit of a gas guzzler. Anyway,
On to Nissan.
back to our little Roscoe. Yeah, we're going to head to Nissan now. Then after that, we're going to go to Suzuki and Isuzu. Next stop, the Nissan garage. And they left me outside already. Lovely and cool in here. Notice that all car garages are cool, air conditioned, like they have to keep the cars cool. I don't think that's the case. But it's something I've noticed that whenever you go to a car garage, even in the UK, air conditioned. I guess they want you to be comfortable when you make a big expensive purchase. So if we get this one, does it come with all the presents?
I would hope so.
I can lift this with 1 ton.
1 ton payload capacity, so that's the weight.
It's weigh 1
No,
ton.
that's not 1 ton. Oh, look at this. I love their little Christmas tree display. I'm not going to lie, I think this is one of the best Christmas trees I've ever seen in the Philippines. Anyway, back to the cars. We're at the Nissan garage now. Checking out, this is a Navara. There you go, Navara. There's also another one. What's this? Oh, this is not a pickup, but it's a big car. That's a Terra. We're not looking at those. We want pickups. However, this might be something to consider should we not go for a pickup. So actually, I don't want to brush this one off because this might be something that we could look at if the boss over there says, no, we don't need a pickup. There's nowhere to put the baby pushchair and stuff like that. We need to get a car that's enclosed. So I'm just keeping this on camera as a memo. Nice car.
Tinting and matting, sir.
Yep.
Seat cover,
Okay, the windows.
windows, yeah. It's
Okay.
included.
Oh, cool. So how much is this car, sorry?
You want the matic or the manual?
The manual is
1,665.
Okay, so 166, let's say.
That's the manual.
That's the manual.
Yeah. The automatic is 1,765.
Okay, so 1.7 for the automatic.
Yeah,
What's
but-
what? 1.7 for the automatic. 166.
1,765 for automatic.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
then the manual is 1,665.
Okay. What's the
And
engine size?
2.5.
2.5.
Yes.
Oh wow, biggest one.
Diesel.
Diesel as well. Okay.
And also we have cash discount if you will pay it for cash.
Paying cash.
Yeah, paying cash. There's a cash discount. Annual cash discount is 110,000.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
And then the automatic is 135,000.
Okay, thank you.
130, I mean. Also.
Wicked. What have you? What have you done? Oh, you got charging ports in the back, ventilation. Is this an armrest? Oh, look at that. Serena, look in the back.
Wow.
Yep, you won't be able to use those because we'll have no food and drink in the car. Fabric seats. Nice protective rim on that.
Bed liner is included. Right. Bed liner is
There's this part.
this one.
Yeah. Does it have a
Great.
cover?
Um,
Because we have a pushchair, and one of the things we're looking for is.
cover, so that's accessories, so you will buy it.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, there's a camera if you do the reverse.
It's got a reverse camera as well.
Reverse camera.
What's on the steering wheel? I take it that's for the radio. Does it have cruise control?
Also, it will elevate, sir, if you do it that
Yeah.
way.
Oh yeah, cool. Nice. Because short drivers, big drivers, she needs to seat higher up.
So she knows manual.
Yes. Well, in the UK we were both driving manual cars, and here it's automatic. Everything we've driven so far in the Philippines is automatic.
Yeah.
Here's the interior. Got a smaller screen than the Ford.
Look how easy I can get out today. Today. Mommy, look.
Yeah, it's nice and clean. Well, it should be. It's in a carriage. So it's pretty basic in here, though, I would say. There we go. You've got park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Handbrake, pedals. She would like to know if the presents are included.
That's the decoration for
Yeah.
Christmas.
It's very. These are the best Christmas decorations I've seen since being in the Philippines. That tree with all the models, it's amazing.
It's amazing, yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
seen their Christmas tree. So good.
Yeah, just let me know
Yeah,
if you want to test drive
Okay.
soon.
So just to reiterate again, because I did get a bit confused, it's a 2.5 litre engine.
Yes, 2.5 liter engine.
Yeah.
And it has cross control and anti-braking system.
Right, you leave the presents alone. We know you're not getting anything
I
this year.
think this is in China.
And the colours, what colours does it come in?
This one is the lunar metallic gray.
Just that one colour?
No, there are colors available.
Okay. What colours are they?
Like alpine white, brilliant silver, galaxy black, also the forged metallic copper.
Ooh, what's that like? That must be a
Forged metallic
orangish.
copper, we can see it here. This one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one beam and colorized. This is the
That's the one that's
lunar
on the.
metallic gray. This one's the lunar metallic gray
Mhm.
one.
That's the one that's on the forecourt.
Yeah, brilliant silver. It's just lighter colors and alpine white. Forged metallic copper is just like this one,
Yeah.
and the galaxy black.
Okay.
5 colors.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Come on then, you. Salamat.
Yeah, salamat. Yeah, let me know, sir.
I will do. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.